Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix unable to synchronize your user profile information on 2K23. And if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So this error usually happens during unplanned outages, service interruptions, or a routine maintenance. So first, you need to check server status of NBA 2K23. So it seems like so it seems that lots of players encounter the unable to synchronize user profile in 2K23 error due to the game's servers. In this case, what you should do is to visit the official website or server status web page to check whether all service is running smoothly or not. And in addition, you can also visit the third-party down detector status web page to check the most reported issues and other related problems. Check your internet connection. If the internet connection is fine, you can be sure that there is no problem with your internet connection. And if not, you can try troubleshooting the internet connection to fix this error. And now, run the power cycle of your router. So just as I've mentioned earlier, this error may occur due to network connection glitches. Therefore, you can try to perform a power cycle of the Wi-Fi router to solve this problem. So follow these steps to do it. First, unplug the internet router from the wall outlet. Hold the power button for about 15 seconds until the router is turned off completely. After waiting for about 5 minutes, plug the router into the socket again and press the power button to restart it. And once you have finished the previous steps or all of those steps, run the NBA 2K23 to see if the unable to synchronize user profile information error is fixed. Okay? And lastly, reboot your computer or console. Reboot your computer on console besides if your computer or console has some technical glitches or temporary cache data issues. It may also trigger the error. Under this circumstance, trying to restart your computer or console may solve this problem. And that's it for this video. And if you follow all of these steps, you should fix the unable to synchronize your user profile information in 2K23. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!